So here is BELI app, your top restaurants ranked. Trending app. BELI helps you track, share, and discover the world's best restaurants. Keep organized ranked lists and maps of everywhere you've been and want to try. See where your friends are eating and what they love and hate. Get personalized recommendations you are sure to love. Scroll your newsfeed to see the latest spot your friends have tried. Add tags. Your taste profile to learn what you love most. Check your match score with your friends to see who really shares your taste. And this is the idea in here. Track all your favorite restaurants in organized lists and maps. Share, discover, and then ultimate restaurant spreadsheet. So this is where, let's just check it out. So now you can see in here. So now, so there are bonus invites in here which you can use. So here is the invite link, and then this is what you can use in here. So that's just what it is. And then that's what it is. And then you can just try inviting in here. So this is that's the idea. And that's the idea. So now you can see all of the places you have been. How many of these spots have you tried? So for example, you can just rank it like this. And then you can just rank another. So now you can see city, different places, restaurants, and then you just go and rank them. And then you can see in your feed, and then you see featured lists, top 10 places to eat, friends recommendations, and top users, photos, friends recommendations. So basically you just log in where you have been, you create lists, you rank, and then based on real replies and rankings from your friends, this app creates leaderboards and really cool. So and then you can really know what are the best and top restaurants to be in here. So you need to rank more restaurants in here. So for example, so now you see something like that. And then again, you can just see all of these interesting restaurants and places. So something like that. So there you have it.